Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some delicious, refreshing mango loco raspado. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with the ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 8 large mangoes, limes, a half a cup of sugar, 2 cups of mango juice, ice cubes, 6 packages of salsaghettis, 6 tamarindo sticks, Chamoy Lucas, Tajin, your choice of chamoy, and 6 16-ounce cups. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright, so first we're going to start by peeling our mangoes. 2 of our mangoes are going to go for a mixture and the remaining are going to be to garnish our cups. So get your potato peeler and just peel them. Alright guys, so once we peeled all of our mangoes, we are going to separate 2 mangoes like I said, and we're going to cut it and place them in our blender. So we're going to remove them from the pit, and it doesn't have to look pretty because like I said, we're going to blend it. So just grab like your 2 greenest mangoes because we are going to add sugar and at the end it's not going to matter. So just grab your mango and cut it. Just remove it from the pit. So just try to grab all our mango. Okay. And I'm going to put this one in my blender. So our second mango. Do the same. And this one's gonna be sweet. And if you're using the small mangoes, just make sure that you use four small mangoes. Okay. Alright, so for the rest of the mango, we're going to cut them like that. And like I said, this is going to be to garnish our cup of our raspado. I missed a little spot there. So for that, we're going to slice it into pretty slice like that. Okay, so we're going to place them on top of our cup, going like this. So we're gonna use that side. Both sides of our mango are going to be sliced like that. And then on the other opposite sides, we're going to chop them into little cubes. Now, of course, if you wanna use less mangoes for your raspado, then you can go less on the mangoes. But this is like the best part. For the slice. So don't let any mango go to waste. And then just cut them in cubes like that. And that's going to be used for 1 cup. Alright, so once we separated the mango from the pit, we are ready to start working on our mango mixture. Alright, so in the blender with the mangoes, we're going to add our 2 cups of mango nectar. Now you can get away with just using 1 can, or you can also use 2 cups of water. But if you use water, you're gonna probably have to use a little bit more sugar. So we're also going to add our sugar. And now we're going to blend it all together until everything is smooth. Alright, so once everything is nice and smooth, we are ready to crush our ice. Alright, so now we're going to grab our ice cubes and place them in our blender. Alright, so now we're just going to crush them until they become until our ice becomes snow. Alright, so once we have our snow, we are ready to make our mango locos. Alright, so make sure your ice looks like this, as if you were able to make a snowball. Okay? Okay, so now I'm going to grab 2 different plates, and on one of them I'm going to add my chamoy, or your Tajin in sauce. And on the other one we're going to add our Tajin. Or you can use the Lucas powder. And this is going to be used to dip the rim of our cup. Okay, so once we have that, we are ready to start making our raspados. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my cup, dip it in the chamoy, make sure that it's all fully coated, and then dip it in the Tajin. Okay, just like that. Alright, so now I'm going to grab my cup and pour some chamoy on the bottom and on the side of the cup. Then I'm going to add some Tajin. Some lime juice. And we're going to add a half a cup of our mango mixture. Then we're going to add some shaved ice. We're going to give it a quick mix. Okay, so now we're going to fill up the cup with shaved ice. We're going to add some more of the mango mixture. And now we're going to place our slices of mango. Going around the cup. Now we're going to top it with some Tajin, chamoy. We're going to top it with our diced mango. And then our salsaghettis. And I like to use the little Lucas chamoy that it comes with. And then our little chamoy on the stick on the side. And voila. Alright guys, so this is it. Our mango loco raspado. Super refreshing, super easy to make. And let me tell you that everybody is going to love it. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part. Are you ready? Cheers. Super delicious. Super refreshing. Everything is perfect. How you like it? So good. These are perfect. My kids seriously love them. You can never go wrong with mango. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious mango loco raspados. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami.